you tired of starting your weight loss journey over and over again? You lose 3 pounds during the week only to gain 5 over the weekend. Then the diet starts over on Monday. It's like a vicious cycle that won't end. Until now. In this video, I'll be sharing my personal tips and tricks for staying consistent with your weight loss goals. Now, we all know that losing weight can be quite a journey, filled with ups and downs. But here's the thing. Consistency is the secret sauce that can turn those goals into reality. So if you're ready to unlock the power of consistency and achieve the body you've always dreamed of, you're in the right place. Let's take a moment to understand why consistency is so crucial when it comes to weight loss. Picture this. You're driving a car and your destination is a slimmer, healthier you. Consistency is what keeps you on the right path, guiding you through the twists and turns and helping you reach your destination faster. Without it, you might find yourself taking detours or even getting lost along the way. By staying consistent, you'll have the power to steer clear of those roadblocks and stay on track towards your goals. 70% of women who lose weight end up gaining it back within a year. Shocking, right? That's because they make the mistake of neglecting consistency. But don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools that you need to stay consistent and be part of that exclusive 30% who achieve long-lasting weight loss success. So, what's the buzz about consistency? Imagine it as a sturdy bridge that carries you across the river of weight loss challenges. It's your unwavering companion, your secret sauce, your guiding guide. Consistency is the backbone of your weight loss journey. It's the act of making small, deliberate choices day after day, like pieces of a grand puzzle, coming together to reveal your path to success. When you stay consistent with your weight loss efforts, you're not just making progress, you're forging habits to stand the test of time. Staying true to your goals day in and day out boosts your confidence. It's like leveling up in a game. Each small victory makes you feel unstoppable. And it's not just about the numbers on the scale. Consistency fosters a sense of discipline that spills over into other areas of your life. It's like watering a plant. Your efforts today might not show immediate results, but over time, you'll witness growth beyond your wildest dreams. Now that you understand the importance of consistency, let me share my 4 top tips for staying consistent with your weight loss goals. Number 1, set realistic goals. As much as we all want to lose 30 pounds in a week, you and I both know that is not realistic or sustainable. Your weight loss goals need to be achievable or you will give up on them. Realistic goals are like having a treasure map that actually leads to treasure. They give you focus, direction, and the motivation to keep going. Imagine this, you're at the foot of a mountain. That summit up there, that's your goal, your ideal weight. But let me tell you, climbing that mountain in one giant leap, not realistic. Setting unrealistic goals can be like trying to leap from the ground to the top of the mountain in one single bound. It's an admirable thought, but it's not sustainable. When you aim too high, too fast, it's like trying to sprint a mountain. You might start strong, but sooner or later, exhaustion sets in and you're left feeling defeated. But here's the secret. Breaking down that lofty summit into smaller, achievable milestones. It's like creating rest stops along your journey, places where you can celebrate your progress. Each milestone achieved is a victory. It's a reminder that you're on the right path, moving closer to your ultimate goal. It's not about reaching the top overnight. It's about embracing the journey one step at a time. Number 2, build healthy habits that last. You've set your realistic goals, and now it's time to pave the path towards them. How? By constructing a bridge of habits that lead you there. Building habits is like constructing a sturdy bridge. Each routine action you take strengthens that bridge, making it easier to cross toward your goals. To start, you need a solid foundation. That's where routine comes in. It's the scaffolding that supports your journey. Think about it. When you have a daily routine, you don't even have to think about your actions. It's like muscle memory, and it leaves no room for inconsistency. Here's a secret to developing habits that stick. Simplicity. Keep it straightforward, my friend. Meal planning is a great example. When your meals are prepped and ready to go, There's no need to turn to unhealthy options in the moment of hunger. Next, we have regular exercise. Treat it like an appointment that you can't miss. It's not just about losing weight. It's about feeling your best. And let's not forget the importance of adequate sleep. Think of it as recharging your batteries. When you're well rested, making healthier choices becomes second nature. But remember, it's not about overhauling your entire life in one go. Start small and slowly build onto your habits, like adding breaks to your bridge one at a time. Building these habits isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about making choices that support your goals one step at a time. Number 3, establish a strong mindset. You've set realistic goals and built those sturdy habits. Now it's time to unlock the power of your mind. Imagine your mind is the key that opens the door to your weight loss success. When your mindset is strong, there is no obstacle that you can't overcome. First things first, let's talk about the power of mindset and achieving your weight loss goals. It's like having a GPS that guides you straight to your destination. Your mindset shapes your actions, and your actions shape your results. It's like a chain reaction that all starts up here. So how do you cultivate a positive and determined mindset? Well, it's a bit like planting seeds in a garden. One creative strategy is through visualization. Picture yourself at your goal weight, feeling healthier and happier. Visualization is like planting seeds of success in your mind. The more you visualize, the more real it becomes. Another powerful technique is to practice self-belief. Tell yourself, I can do this. It's like fuel for your journey. When you believe in yourself, you're unstoppable. Challenges become opportunities, and setbacks become stepping stones. Now let's talk about positive affirmations. These are like daily reminders of your inner strength. Repeat phrases like, I am capable, or I am in control. It's like filling your mind with a winning mindset. But remember, it's not about banishing all negativity. It's about embracing challenges as opportunities to grow. With a strong mindset, you're not just losing weight, you're gaining self-confidence, resilience, and a whole lot more. Number 4, finding support and accountability. You've set your goals, built habits, and fortified your mindset. But guess what? You don't have to go at it alone. Let's dive into the incredible benefits of having a support system and accountability partner by your side. Imagine your weight loss journey is a challenging hike. Having a support system is like having fellow hikers cheering you on, sharing their water when you're thirsty, and helping you navigate the tricky terrain. First, let's talk about support. It's like the wind beneath your wings, lifting you up when you need it most. Whether it's friends, family, or a coach, having someone who believes in your success can be a game changer. Sharing your goals with someone creates a sense of accountability. It's like having a workout buddy who won't let you skip that early morning exercise. Accountability partners are like your personal cheerleaders and your gentle nudge, all rolled into one. But where can you find this amazing support system? You could consider hiring a coach. Think of them as your expert guide on this weight loss journey. Coaches offer personalized advice, motivation, and a structured plan tailored just for you. Another fantastic choice is joining a program. It's like being a part of a team, all working towards the same goal. Programs often provide resources, meal plans, and community of like-minded individuals to connect with. And in this digital age, don't forget about the online weight loss community. It's like having a support group in your pocket 24/7. You can find forums, social media groups, and apps designed to connect you with people who understand your journey. Don't hesitate to seek out that support and accountability. It's not a sign of weakness, it's a testament to your commitment. If you found that staying consistent on your weight loss journey is a challenge, please know that you're not alone. I'm here to offer you the support and guidance that you need to finally achieve your weight loss goals and break free from that on and off diet cycle. My program is designed to provide you with the right system, unwavering support, and accountability that can make all the difference. But of course, the first step is to get to know each other better. I'd love to chat with you and see if we're the right fit. So go ahead and click the link that I left in the description box to book a complimentary consultation with me. Let's explore how my program can benefit you and make your weight loss journey a truly transformative experience. I can't wait to speak with you and be a part of your success story. Book your call with me, and I'll see you in the next video.